Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video in Behance portfolio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to head on over to behance.net and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and hover our mouse over share your work and then click onto project. Okay, so once we're inside here, it's going to say start building your projects. On the right hand side, we've got different options. We want to go ahead and click on the video audio option. Then from here, we want to go ahead and upload that video. So I'm just going to use this video for this demonstration. Now give that a few moments to load depending on the size and your internet connection. Now from here, you might get the option that says your file has uploaded successfully and is being converted into web-friendly format. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on the file size. You'll not be able to preview this audio file until then, so we can feel free to keep editing and navigating away from this page. So once we've done that, go down the bottom here on the right hand side and click on continue. Then from here, we can go ahead and put a project cover on. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an image from my computer. So from here, it's going to go on my images and upload this one. Now from here, we've got the option where we can zoom in, zoom out, etc. and crop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add. You can add another one if you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on that crop. Then from here, give this project a title. Then from here, project tags, we've got a limit of 10, add up to 10 keywords so people discover your project. Then from here, what tools are used? So what software, hardware, and materials did you use? Now we've got to answer this, how would you categorize this project? Now this is required. So this is graphic design, illustration, photography. So go ahead and choose what's relevant. And then Behance visibility. So we can have everyone, full access and discoverable to everyone, password protected, but you need a pro account for this, or link only. This is pro or private, so only accessible to you, not discoverable on Behance. So for this demonstration, we're going to do everyone. From here, if it is adult related, you go ahead and check that. Then from here, go ahead and click on publish. Now this is going to go ahead and publish your project. This might take a few moments. And then from here, we can go ahead and start a portfolio if you like. We can promote your work, save it to your socials. So if we come over to my portfolio, I'm going to hover over my profile, go ahead and click on Behance profile. And here it is here.